Today I'm going to work on replacing the interior cabin air filter on a 2017 Hyundai Tucson TL. Just open up your glove box. You'll see two little clips here. Just twist the clips like so. Second one. Then you'll come over to the left hand side and just unclip the little strut. And you drop everything down. Always pays to empty your glove box so everything doesn't fall out. And then just behind the glove box you'll see the panel here, and there's a little clip on the left hand side. Just squeeze it and pull it towards you, pull out, and then pull out the cabin filter. I've just replaced mine so it looks nice and clean. So just reverse all the steps, replace the cover, push it tight, lift your glove box back in, push that on, and then just replace the two the twist clips. And you're done.